Hello guys, and welcome back to Reaction Zone. In today's lesson, we're going to look at two properties that exhibit periodicity. The first is electron affinity, and the second is electronegativity. Electron affinity is the energy that is absorbed or released when an electron is added to one mole of an atom in the gaseous state. Electron affinity tells us how much an atom wants an electron. In other words, it is the measure of the tendency of an atom to form a negative pair. Moving from left to right across a period, electron affinity increases with the exception of noble gases. This is because as you move from left to right across a period, atomic size or atomic radius decreases, nuclear charge increases, and as a result, electrons are strongly attracted. However, moving down a group, atomic size and atomic radius increases, and due to the increase in atomic size, the atoms are unwilling to accept electrons. The second one is electronegativity. Electronegativity is the ability of an atom to attract electrons to itself in a chemical bond. In other words, electronegativity tells us how strongly atoms attract electrons to themselves in the bonded state. Electronegativity increases from left to right across a period, with the exception of the noble gases. This is because atomic size or atomic radius decreases across a period, nuclear charge increases across a period. As a result, electrons are strongly attracted. However, moving down the group, electronegativity decreases. This is because of the increase in atomic size down the group, and not just the increase in atomic size. The shielding effect of outer electrons by inner electrons, which further increases the distance of the outer electrons away from the nucleus. The most electronegative element is fluorine, which has an electronegativity value of 4.0. And the least electronegative element is francium. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next one.